if you're white labeling GoHighLevel CRMs, you're gonna wanna hear this. You can make a lot more money by charging your customers more. But before you can charge them more, you need to increase the value of the product for your clients. Duh, right? Obviously. So as you may know, in GoHighLevel, you have your contacts, you can do inbound, but what you could never do before is great outbound cold emailing. So I'm gonna show you how to do it all. As you can see, we have the contacts, John Doe, right? We have their information. What we can do is integrate a cold email platform and push it right to the sequence, start doing cold email outreach. This way we increase the value for our clients of our white labeled software, and we can even resell infrastructure, which I'll talk about in a bit. So first, let me show you how to actually connect Salesforge, the cold emailing app we'll use, to GoHighLevel. So you simply go to Salesforge, you go to settings, you go to integrations, and you'll see there's a lot of integrations right here. You click connect on GoHighLevel, you'll be redirected to the GoHighLevel app. You simply select your sub account, and that's it, you're connected. Now what you'll be able to do is whenever you create a sequence or go to import contacts, you can simply go right away and import contacts from GoHighLevel. And of course, once you have your contacts uploaded, you map the data, you'll be able to just go ahead, create a sequence, launch the campaigns, and get your clients some juicy reply rates, right? Booking sales calls, doing all of that. But now, again, you can make even more money by reselling infrastructure, because for cold email, you need domains, you need mailboxes to actually send out cold emails. So what you can do is actually use InfraForge, an email infrastructure provider like MailForge. This is just a private infrastructure, and become InfraForge reseller. So by reselling InfraForge, you get a 20% revenue share. So you basically increase the value of your white labeled GoHighLevel CRM by a ton by increasing cold emailing with the best email sending practices, AI written with hyper-personalized cold emails, super high deliverability, and you can even resell the InfraForge, the email infrastructure, all automated setup, and keep 20% of revenue. It's also all white labeled, meaning you can just have it white labeled. You choose how you white label, GoHighLevel, you white label this, and the client does everything and you get 20% revenue share. So if you want to see how that looks like, my doggo is just tearing up a toy. Go to InfraForge. I will leave the links down below. Book a call or see what the website looks like, right? And talk to our team and become a reseller and make a lot more from your GoHighLevel white labeled CRMs by increasing the value for your clients and then being able to charge them a ton more. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.